Namaste, beloved friends. Welcome to this guided breathing meditation. So, this breathing meditation will work on your every part of your physical body, in the mental body, in the emotional body. In the physical body, if you have any kind of disease, any kind of symptoms like headache or diabetes or hypertension, high blood pressure, any kind of symptoms there, it will remove them totally. And in the mental body, if you have so many thoughts, so many anxiety, depression kind of thing, it will remove them. And also in the emotional body, if you are feeling too much emotions, too much crying, too much sadness inside your subtle body, it will clean all the garbage inside. This is the most powerful breathing practice we are going to do. So I will guide you and you will do with me. So I am requesting you, just try for one time, and you don't have to do for like 21 days, then you get the effect. You will get the effect immediately when you are doing that practice. In between the practice, you are feeling that effect, and after the practice, when you stop this practice, after doing it, you will feel the amazing energy inside your entire body. It's like kind of you are become the energy, what you say, everywhere is the energy. You will feel the sensation, different kind of sensation in the body. So this very powerful practice. You try it and then let me you try one time. You just try one time and then write me your experience, what you feel, what you have the inside, what happened to your body and mental things. So you just try with me one time and you will write me in the comment or in the WhatsApp that what you feel, what the energy you feel, what the sensation you feel inside the body. And hope you like this technique. So we start. So I will tell you the how the technique work. So in this technique we have to inhale and exhale from the mouth only. We are not using our nostril. And this technique you have to lie down in the Savasana. So you lie down and then you need some kind of a scarf or something to cover your eyes, so you are in the completely darkness. So this is the preparation. So now you put one hand, left hand on the abdomen and the right hand on the chest region, okay, in the lying down position. So now we have to inhale and exhale from the mouth. So inhale for the 2 time and exhale for 1 time only. So how? First inhale from the abdomen, then from the chest. So 2 time inhalation and 1 time exhalation. So inhale and exhale. So that like this. I am taking from the nose, so I have to be conscious that I am inhalation and exhalation from the mouth only. So this is the technique. So inhale and let it go. Inhale and let go. Inhale from the abdomen, inhale from the chest and exhale. So when you inhale from the abdomen will bulge up, and when you inhale from the chest will come up, and you release. So hope you understand the technique. So now you lie down in the Savasana gently, and you don't have to support your head. The throat should be released, it's open, so the breath and the oxygen will reach to every part of the lungs. So lie down and adjust yourself, cover your eyes and just be with me. I will guide you with this breathing in different stages. So we will go for the longer, at least 15 minutes the breathing, and then 5 to 10 minute relaxation. So be prepared, mentally prepare. Okay, I think you have done your all adjustment. So now put your one hand on the abdomen, one hand on the chest. Okay, so inhale and exhale from the mouth. Inhale for the 2 time and exhale for 1 time only. Begin, start gently. Fully in and let it out. Fully in and let it out. Very good, you are doing great. Inhale from the abdomen and chest and let it go out. Just be here and now in this moment. You are just doing the breathing, nothing else. Forget everything. Continue your breathing. Abdomen and chest, abdomen and chest, abdomen and chest. Inhale for the 2 times. Exhale just 1 time. Working on the full capacity of the lungs. Very good. Continue. Very powerful breathing. Maybe you are already feeling some different kind of sensation in the body. Just be there, just continue the breathing without doing anything. You are just breathing, the rhythmic breathing. The entire body is relaxed. Just you are doing the breathing. Feel the power of the breath. This power of breath heal you from inside. All the cell will get activated. The oxygen will reach to every part of the body. And if you are feeling some kind of disease, any disorder, it is best practice you can start every day. Continue the breathing. Continue. If some kind of thoughts are coming, let them come. You are more than the thoughts. You are more powerful than the thoughts. You are here and now in this moment, and you are practicing this amazing breath work. So do it with full energy, with 100% involvement, without stopping. Just continue. continue without stopping. You are going more and more deeper. You are connecting to yourself, and when you connect with yourself, you connect to whole universe. The all good energy will come and help you in every part of your life. So just continue this without stopping. Maybe you feel any kind of emotions are coming. Let them come. If the anger is coming, if the sadness is coming, it's good. This is the time when you can just relax and let them go. Continue with the breathing. Amazing practice to remove any kind of stress. The stress is the main cause of the disease. Stress starts in the mind, and from there it converts into the disease. So we are working on the root level. We are destroying the samskara, the mental impression from the mind, and when the seed burn out, there will be no tree. So now you are planting only the sweet mango trees or sweet fruit tree. All the bitter things removing out from your mind. Continue the breathing. Very good, you are doing the great work. Continue. This breathing will heal you, will heal every chakras of the body, will heal you, your physical, mental body, and will connect you with the spiritual body, the pure bliss body. You will get more connected with entire nature. Just be in this moment and continue your breathing. Maybe your body feeling tired. Your mind is saying, no, I can't do it. But you are more than these thoughts. So don't listen to these thoughts. Just in the moment you are here with me. Continue your practice. After completing it, you will feel your willpower is increased because you didn't listen to these thoughts. So continue. Inhale 2 times, exhale 1 time. Inhale, abdomen up. Inhale, chest up, and exhale. Inhale, inhale, exhale. Inhale, inhale, exhale. Continue. If you feel like, you can fold your legs, feet touching to the ground, and just continue more deeper breathing. More deeper you are going inside you. More deep breathing and let it go. Inhale, inhale and let it go. Very good. You are doing the very good work. You are working on yourself. This is your time. And when you generate the energy inside you, then the love will grow inside you. This breathing will help you to balance your body and mind. Very good, very good. Continue. I am here to guide you in this breathing. So just forget everything. Just surrender here and now in this moment. Continue. Few more minutes. You are doing the great work. Very few people work on themselves. We always work outside. This is the time so that you can heal yourself, so that in the future, whatever you want to do, you can do it with peaceful mind. Everyone wants to achieve the health, happiness and strength. This is the practice. If you do it 100%, you can get all the happiness which is not outside, not in the material world. It is always inside of us, in our heart. So continue the practice. Inhale, inhale and let go. Inhale, inhale and let go. You are going more and more deeper into your soul. Maybe you are getting some kind of different sensation in the body, some kind of tingling, some pain, some kind of emotions are coming. That's good sign that you are progressing in this breathing. So let it go, let it do what they want to do in the body. You are in the healing process. Just continue the breathing. It's amazing and powerful. Rhythmic breathing. Continue. Very good, very good. Continue. Work on your physical, in your pranic level, into your mental level. Just work Increase your willpower that yes, I can do it. Yes, I can do it. It's not impossible. Yes, I can do it. In the life I did many challenges. I did many hard work. This is nothing. This is just a breathing. I can do it. Yes, I can do it. Yes, I can do it. Continue. If you want to release your hand, you can do, but continue the breathing. If you want to move your body little bit, you can do so and come back to the breathing. Adjust yourself and continue for few more seconds or few more minutes. Just be here and the now. Very good practice. Continue the breathing. You are the more powerful than your mind. You are the master. Feel this power of the breathing in your entire system. Few more seconds with full power. Work on yourself. Generate the healing energy. The energy will work on every chakras, every part of the body. Continue without stopping. You are powerful. You are divine. You belong to this nature. You are the part of this entire universe. Now relax, stop the breathing. Relax your legs. Relax your hand. Legs go apart, hand go apart. And let go of everything, all the breathing, and turn your focus inward. Move inside of you. Go deeper and deeper, more deeper. Maybe you are feeling many kind of different sensation in the body. Every part of your body is activated with this divine energy, with this healing energy. Let this energy work. This energy will purify your body from inside and outside. You will start glowing like a morning sun. Amazing breathing practice. This energy will help you in your day-to-day activity. So don't go out, just be there. Maybe you are feeling some kind of colors, some kind of vibration in the body. This is natural. After this practice, many things start happening. This is good sign. So just be there in this moment. You did a very great job. Very good practice. Feel your mind, it's getting more silent and silent, more calm and quiet. And from this silence, everything come out, all the creativity, all the great work come out from this silence of the mind. This silence is your real nature. In this silence, you are one with the divine. The divine is outside, and in the same way, it's also inside of you. Relax completely. Surrender your whole body to this Mother Earth. Like a mother, she will also take care of you. Like the mother in the childhood feed us with different food, with milk, with water. The same way this Mother Earth always feed us, always give us whatever we want. So just surrender to this Mother Earth. We are all child. We are walking on this path. Just relax completely. Just be there, silent, more calm. Entire body and mind is relaxed. I will stop for few minutes. You will continue. Just listen the music and be with this present moment. If you feel like, you can move your toes, you can move your fingers, head side to side. And if you just want to lie down for a few more minutes, you can do so. And if you like, you can open your eyes. You can write me the feedback, whatever you feel, in the comment, or you can give me WhatsApp, or if you have any queries, any question, you can write in my WhatsApp or email ID. And hope you like this amazing practice. You can do it every day, empty stomach, and it's amazing. It's like I can't tell. I am doing it every day. It's making me so much more than me. So you enjoy every day with this practice, and then go out in the worldly activity. So thank you for doing with me, practicing with me. May you get all the health and happiness. May your life will get everything what you want. All the positive qualities will come in your life, and you can spread the health, happiness in the entire world. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. May all the beings in all the world be happy. May all the beings in all the world be happy.